Hello, দাদা নেম প্লেটৰ কি?
প্ৰিয়াৰ ষ্ট্ৰেংথ মাল্টিটাস্কিং।
ৰোহনৰ ষ্ট্ৰেংথ ধৈৰ্য।
প্ৰিয়াৰ আৰু এটা ষ্ট্ৰেংথ তাইৰ উৎসাহ।
ৰোহনৰ ষ্ট্ৰেংথ সদায় ৰঙিয়াল। আমি দুয়ো বেলেগ,
পিছে এজন আনজনৰ ষ্ট্ৰেংথ।
অৱশেষত মোৰ মা দেউতা যোৰহাটৰ পৰা ইয়ালৈ শ্বিফ্ট হৈ আছে।
হেল্ল', আমাৰ মা দেউতা
আৰু এই ষ্ট্ৰেংথ আমি নিতেও পাওঁ প্ৰটিন এক্স খাই।
সাইণ্টিফিকলি ডিজাইন 8 সপ্তাহতে আপোনাৰ ষ্ট্ৰেংথ বঢ়োৱাত সহায় কৰে। প্ৰটিন এক্স
ষ্ট্ৰেংথ আপোনাৰ বাবে,
আপোনজনৰ বাবে।
The delegation of ABVP, Khasi Hills and Garo Hills, submitted a memorandum to the President of India, Draupadi Murmu Ji through the Deputy Commissioners of both the districts on 6th March seeking justice for the victims of heinous crime against women in Sandeshkhali, West Bengal. Perpetrators sheltered by the state government. The women of Sandeshkhali area of North 24 Parganas district of West Bengal are being sexually exploited, their collective dignity was violated and their families are being systematically tortured by criminals sheltered by the state government. ABVP is deeply hurt by this ghastly incident that puts humanity to shame and strongly condemns it.
Everyone knows that what is happening in Bengal. So especially in these few days, there was a huge problems in the Sandeshkhali. So we are submitting the memorandum to the President of India through our DC today to get the justice for our Sandeshkhali women.
Okay. So any other issue so submitted there? Only for this?
Actually, every district of Meghalaya or even another state of India also through ABVP, we are submitting the memorandum to fight for the women of war Sandeshkhali.
Okay. So you are the East Khasi Hills ABVP.
Myself, Nibyang Sumer, Central Working Committee member of ABVP, and also District Organizing Secretary of ABVP is Khasi Hills.
And myself, Bom Singh Kongkir. I am the State Joint Secretary of ABVP Meghalaya.
Myself,